What the fuck.
Now that I think about it, we should have seen that coming.
We must confront Ben Smigs about this.
Come back as sad.
What is this place? A remote.
But there is no TV.
Oh my god, it's the artifact for the Snuggie lasers. Someone's coming.
Hide. Oh my god, it's gone.
GRR, someone beat us to it this time.
But who was it?
We must find out.
Where do you think you're going? We want to talk to Bensnugs. No, fuck you. Ha 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 ha, can't catch me. Get blocked, son. Let us in. The gods are in an important meeting right now and you cannot disturb them.
And the person is like so irrelevant.
Right, such a local.
We need a new plan.
Chicken attack. Go chickens and distract the pussies.
A chicken. Chicken dinner.
Love you. I didn't want to eat that. I love.
Phew. We were not caught. Wait, is that one of the ex-gods we saw in the burrow?
It is I, Monkey Vampire.
Please don't snitch on us. We are only here to talk to the goddesses about a secret one of them has.
This better not be what I think it is.
Ugh, can you remind me why you want to be a god again?
I sense that a true evil is upon us. If you do not get the assistance you require, it may mean the end of the universe as we know it.
Okay, assistant. Gather the artifacts. I can't. There are 3 missing artifacts. What GRR, now we can't promote Dwayne fully. I'll have to check up on that later. For now, Edwayne Snugs, by the power of the gods of the Bananaverse, I hereby reinstate you as a god.
Hey.
What are you doing here? I said no shenanigans.
I was just trying to get to know you, Helena.
Those lousy pussies. Anyway, I hereby reinstate you as a god.
Hey!
The monkey loves Snuggie lasers.
Why did you do that, Wawa?
Because you lied to me, you are Benny Schwartz.
How? Bananabrain, what are you doing? Calm down.
Why are you not shocked?
I am, but I am sane.
Snuggie lasers. Why did you do that to my girlfriend? I can do what I want.
But how?
Why the lasers?
Oof, hi BB.
Why the lasers?
Where am I?
You must stop doing this.
I am so sorry.
What now?
Bananabrain's not fully promoted, so we can't demote him, and even if we could, he would still have the Snuggie lasers. But anyway, since he is redemption arc, let's focus on Dwayne. But he and Sussy are not here.
I will find them.
Oh yes.
Edwayne Snugs, by the power of the gods of the Bananaverse, I hereby reinstate you as a god. Well, not fully, but at least now you have the Snuggie laser, so you are.
That's great to know.
As for you, if you tell anyone about Benny Schwartz, then I will kill you and make deaths permanent again.
I won't tell anyone.
Goodbye.
But tell me, why did you do it?
I needed a pair of eyes. Someone to look out for me where I couldn't appear. But now that role has been filled by someone else, so it's fine.
Well, okay. Let's go home.
Okay, fine. First the turquoise lasers artifact broke, and now this one broke too. Grrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
have been collecting the artifacts. Why is that?
How do we know we can trust you?
Well, I had to read all 69 pages of your Pen X Puffball fanfics for me to act out, so you can trust me.
Okay. As we are collecting them because they will give us all supreme power, that of which will make us even more powerful than X X, who we will destroy once we gather all the artifacts.
Well, thanks for the information.
So you're saying Mystic is gathering all the artifacts to take over the world? Yes, what will you do? We'll wait until she gets all of them for us and we'll take them back. Game on, ho you aha.
Oh my god, guys, I had a dream that there was a secret room in our house that we didn't even know about.